Imagine a world where creativity thrives and financial literacy is celebrated. This is the vision of Kim Kiyosaki, a successful entrepreneur who defied the conventional educational system. Buckle up as we dive into her insightful mind and revolutionary ideas in the next few moments. Kim Kiyosaki, a successful entrepreneur and author, shares her insights on the flaws of the school system and her journey to entrepreneurship. Have you pondered over the reason our educational structure appears to suppress creativity and neglects financial education? Stick around as we uncover Kim's enlightening perspectives on subject. We assure you it will revolutionize your thinking. So I think in the school system, they don't want us to learn about money because they just want to pump out good employees that do what they're told. I mean, if you look at school, it's opposite of what it takes to be successful in real life. Don't make a mistake, do as you're told, take tests by yourself, don't cooperate, do it by yourself, do it on your own. And the last thing was, oh, there's only one right answer. No, there are tons of answers to a problem. So you come out of school scared to death of making a mistake. You do everything on your own, you don't cooperate. There's no synergy, there's no brainstorming, and there's only one right answer. Everybody wants to get the right answer, but there's no one right answer. So I think people come out of school paralyzed. I think the school system is criminal in that it kills a child's spirit of learning. You know, a child goes into school all excited about, yeah, I'm going to learn and it's going to be great. And then the teacher says, sit down and shut up. Don't talk. We don't care what you're interested in. They just teach you what they want to teach you instead of finding out what the child is interested in and teaching to that. So I think kids come out of school scared to death of making a mistake. They come out paralyzed. They don't know what they want to do because their spirit and their creativity have been crushed inside of them. So you almost have to do a whole reprogramming once you get out of school, so you can find out what it is that excites you, what it is that where your passion is. When Robert and I had our first date back in 1984, yes, in Hawaii, he said, what do you want to do with your life? I had been fired twice from the same job out of college, twice on the same job. Yep, they fired me, and they hired me back, and they fired me again, and I knew I wanted my own business. So on our first date, he said, what do you want to do with your life? And I said, I want my own business, but I don't know anything about entrepreneurship. I've never been around entrepreneurs. And Robert said, well, I've started several businesses and all my friends are entrepreneurs. I'm like, great, perfect. So 2 months later, I started my first business. The funniest thought I had coming from an employee was, oh, now my time is my time, I'll do it whenever I want, and I'll have all this free time, and it's going to be on my schedule. Wrong? No, you work 24/7, I had no free time. And I'm like, okay, so that was a myth I had, but that was my mindset as an employee, that where you work 9 to 5. Oh, now I can get up and I can start at 11, and if I want to work at night, I can work at night. No, you're working, especially when you're starting a business, it's 24/7. As we dive deeper into our journey of entrepreneurship, we soon realize that the path to financial independence is not just about the freedom to control our schedule, but also the liberty to make our own decisions. This is a stark contrast to the employee mindset, where decisions are made for us. The journey isn't smooth sailing, but it is a rewarding one. It's about having the courage to take risks and the resilience to bounce back from failures. It's about learning and growing every day. It's about creating value, not just for ourselves, but also for others. It's about making a difference. It's about the journey, not just the destination. It's about the transformation from an employee to an entrepreneur. It's about embracing the challenges, celebrating the victories, and learning from the defeats. It's about the journey to financial independence. As we continue our journey, remember that financial independence is not a destination, but a journey. And each one of us is on our unique path. We hope that by sharing ours, we inspire you to embark on yours. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe. In the world of entrepreneurship, the unexpected is the norm. Every day brings a new challenge, a new problem to solve. And it's not just about solving these problems, it's about growing stronger with each one. Entrepreneurship in its rawest form is a fast track to personal development. It's a world where stepping back is not an option. You have to face the problems head on and deal with them. Many first-time entrepreneurs, especially those transitioning from an employee mindset, often misinterpret the essence of entrepreneurship. They picture it as a lavish office space, a secretary and high-end furniture, but the reality is far from this illusion. Successful entrepreneurship often starts from a humble home office, built from scratch with sweat and perseverance. The statistics state that half of the businesses fail, and the primary reason is the lack of understanding of what entrepreneurship truly entails. It's not just about starting a part-time business and expecting to rake in profits. It's about making tough decisions, often with limited resources. It's about learning how to navigate through financial struggles without compromising the business's integrity. So, if you're an employee aspiring to start your own business, start small. Begin with a part-time business, learn the ropes, understand the realities, and then take the plunge. Entrepreneurship is not just about financial independence. It's a journey of personal growth and development. It's not for the faint-hearted, but for those willing to embrace the challenges and transform them into opportunities.